Good morning, everyone.
Hello everyone. Today we are representing you a project made by us. Our team name is Atal's Flash Miners.
Myself, Ajat from class JMUDP.
Myself Sugosh.
Myself, Karan from 6th. The title of the project is Detecting the Animals from the surroundings of the house nearby the forest.
Problem: animals attacking people and they make sounds and noises.
That the components needed for this project is PIR sensor, Arduino board, breadboard, wires, cables, buzzers. There was a house nearby the forest. There lived wild animals like lion, tiger, elephant, etc.
The family members were irritated by this attacking house members and making the harsh sounds and noise.
In the house, when animal come near the house, the sensor detect the animal and that's movement.
It sends signal to microcontroller and send its signal to buzzer.
The buzzer makes sounds in the house. The family members can get alert from the sound of buzzer and they can stay safely from the animals. Is PIR sensor, Arduino board, cable, wires, breadboard and buzzers. There was a house nearby the forest. There lived wild animals like elephant, hyena, etc.
The family members were irritated and worried about attacking the members and making harsh sounds and noise.
When animal comes near the house, the sensor detect the animal and send signal to microcontroller.
It sends signal to microcontroller and signal to buzzer.
The buzzer makes sound in the house. The family members can get alert from the sound of buzzer and they can stay safely from animals. Solution. Tanush.
Helping the house family member attacking from animals and poisonous animals.
With thanks to PPS team and principal ma'am and vice principal sir, teacher, staff, the in charge of the Atal class, professor and participating students.
Thank you.